Yeah, so let's wait and see what's really going on. I don't know what happened with my system. I didn't even know that the system had shut off, such kind of a thing. Yeah, so let's see what this guy is gonna do. We can see it is still waking up there and things like that. Although our bot had already given a sell, still doing some few things up and down. So as I told you before, that just ensure always, especially if you're here, because sometimes I might be around, maybe doing other things, and then it give a signal maybe here live. So the only thing you need to do is to ensure that every time it does that, you just place your stop loss around 40 pips, and target. With that one, there's a lot of times you'll be able to, eat your TPs. Tan, tan, tan. Yeah, so let's say I might log out briefly. So gold in general terms, yesterday we were able to check it in. Elaine is saying, hello, is this sell on gold? Yeah, this is sell on gold. This is sell on gold. Yeah, we are doing a sell scalp now. We are using the bot. You can see that is the bot giving the signal. So yesterday, for those who are around, we had a buy on gold. You remember by Orbit. Today I'm not using Orbit because Orbit, I think it has not even given a signal yet today. The one that has been giving this scalping trades is this other bot, this scalping bot I've been using now. So there has been something even today early in the morning, especially after this has given a scalping buy around this level here. At this point, sorry, where is that thing? Yeah, you can see this one also. We had a signal, a buy scalping signal here. Here also we have it in many places, but specifically I want to talk about specifically this level here. Remember OBT yesterday gave something like, I think it almost went something like 120 pips. So this one, I think today's botter, we got this scalpers bot, that's how it's at this level here. It was like responding to yesterday's bot signal. And I think it almost responded exactly to around that zone. It was a very nice zone for scalp. This one also gave a sell. Around this level also we get a buy. But if that's why I'm telling you, for example, at this level, that's why I'm telling you to be able to place your stop loss around 40 pips. You'll be able to capture that 50 pips possibly very easily, So just up and down, up and down. For those who are around, maybe I'll be leaving this guy to stay around this level here at this point here. And also we have this EMA here, okay? So maybe sometime if you want to see it's a clear one, you can maybe just wait. It's not a must, but you can wait to see maybe a candle closing below this EMA, okay? The moment you see that, if you give a signal, maybe you can wait and see the candle closing below. If you see it is closing below this EMA, it's just maybe like an extra confluence or confirmation. Though it's not, much of that requirement according to how this bot was created. But it has been working. It's a bit important, as an addition. So let's wait and see how this guy is gonna go. Let me mute. I will be back in some moments from now. The GBP card I gave you guys, I've seen that GBP card has already even hit TP1, even without us, because you are waiting for that retracement, retest, a pullback, but did not occur. Right now, GBPOD has hit TP1 going, just like that. But I don't think if GBPOD will basically come to the zone we want it to come to. I just don't think so. I don't know, but I don't think so. It might just continue going bullish just like that, but it is good. The way maybe you are waiting for that rate is good for you to wait for it to come back and retest those zones. Because according to me, I think it's this gold is really taking long to respond. What's happening with it? That's just a simple scalp. scalp. It was supposed to be able to have responded to that long time ago. Long time ago. Okay, let's just continue seeing. Let's watching the next, basically the next 3 candles. If the next 3 candles start doing some nonsense, maybe still consolidating, then we can maybe just decide maybe to move out at break even or whatever it is. We'll see. Okay. Let's wait for the next, basically the next 3 candles. We will be able to know a lot. As for me, then I'm feeling, we have how many hours, how many minutes we have waited? It's not even breaking lower. I don't know. I don't like too much consolidation. Too much consolidation. You can see how the rest of these scalps went. You can see, for example, how it is behaving right now is almost like this one. This scalp here. Okay. But I think even right now it's too much because this signal was given here. Although there is no much effect as such, but you can see it is already giving this extension to this level, stretching horizontally, you know. This one, I think it gave it here. Also did a consolidation like that, but you can see the moment it does that, automatically it push lower, giving something like 120 pips, you know. So the next 3 candles, if it's still doing some nonsense, we've just decided to wait for another signal. Okay. Just decide to wait another signal. Now let's continue watching it. Yeah, let's saying for FMC, I get you exactly. I get you. Yeah. There's something it is doing. That's why even for me, I'm not focusing on bigger. I'm just focusing on securing small pips, you know, scalping it up and down. I know the fun right now is a time that you really have to be very careful. Those times when they arrive, the market doing some funny things. Although it is not in my mind as such, especially scalping right now, but you know, it's relevant. Let's wait for the next 3 candles. Basically 5 minutes candles, then we'll be able to see. We want it to push lower. This market is supposed to start pushing lower. If within the next 3 candles we don't see something significant, and then let me know on the chat, guys, exact price point where you got in each one of you. I think there's only one entity that I get in a bit lower, but basically all of them, they were a bit at a higher price. You know. Can I know on the chat, guys, which price maybe if you don't mind to share, so that I know maybe how we are managing it. Let's see, continue. Because if it continues doing some nonsense, we can just decide to see what we got, you know. Some filtration. Anyway, you'll see how honest they will be. Check how the FOMC will try to get with some things. But right now, I think scalping is quite nice. Maybe going unidirectional, a very large amount of large pips. That's maybe I think something that might be a bit risky. But scalping it up and down, for me, I think it's okay. Oh, my voice is fading. Oh, I'm constantly moving away from the mic, you know. It was very, very far away from me. I think this is the time I'm close to it. Yeah, so I think now I'm clear right now, basically. I think right now my voice is clear. For real, gold does not want to push lower. Why? Why doesn't it want to push lower? I think this is the time now we have to start expecting some bearish movement. This is the time. If this exactly something like next 5 minute candle. This is the time the sales are supposed to start coming in. Yes, guys, we can see the market is moving now. Well, let's still be patient and see because I want it to break that zone. I can see it is reacting to a zone where there's a perceived rejection, which is very critical. So let's wait for it to break that zone and then we see how it's really going to survive there. So guys, you can see the market doing something here. So now shift your stop loss. Now shift your stop loss, okay? Now shift your stop loss now, as shown here. Just tighten, ensure you tighten your stop loss right now. Ensure you now tighten. So just tighten your stop loss, okay? I just don't want maybe to tell us to break even because it might maybe try to wick around, but I think it's in the movement is quite okay. We just wait for it to maybe push a bit more. So if it gives buy again, it is just a scalping session. The moment it's doing that, just gonna go with it. Let me just see how many. Around 15 pips, and we are targeting 50 pips. Let's just hang in there. You see how the market, guys. Ensure if you're around, just ensure you tap the like button, guys. Just ensure you tap the like button. Wow. So let me see. Just ensure you tap the like button, guys. I'll be back. I just don't want to us to tell us maybe to break even because maybe it can a bit push a little bit higher. But it's in a nice place where right now you can, right now you can tighten your stop loss. That's what I wanted to tell us. Okay? You can possibly push. You make your stop loss to be a bit tighter, like this. I think this one is okay. I think this one is okay. Okay. I think that one is fair. Well, let's take some money there. Okay, I just mean let it run, okay? Not for you to take money. Let it run. And by the way, right now, if you want to break even, you can break even because I don't expect it to come back to the entry again. Yeah, you can just decide to do that if you want. Tan. What am I doing on the screen? Then I'm dotting the screen. So guys, the moment that 5-minute candle ends strongly bearish, we are breaking even, okay? The only thing is that 5-minute candle. The moment if it ends strongly bearish, we break even. At 50 pips, we take money. And you can leave maybe the rest. I will check maybe the structure, see if we can leave the rest to run. I will check that, okay? Yeah, the bot told us what to do. Let's go. The bot did it there. Amazing. That's amazing. Let's see how things are going again. I don't want that kind of to end with the week. I want it to end the way it want to end right now. I don't want it to end with the week coming up. That will be bad. Yeah, I think that's a nice one. We can possibly break even. Okay. You can possibly break even now. Well, which one was that? I think I was using. And if you want to get daily signals from this, I'm right now going to connect it to one of the VIP channels. So if you want to be getting this consistent signal, you can see exactly what it has done. These things are live, okay? This is a buy. You can see what it did. Buy, sell. Now it is running. Here was a sell. Here you can see how things are going. I will have a time maybe also to review it. You see the way I reviewed the other one. A very amazing bot here. You can either join the scalpers there or day traders. For the swing traders, I'm using the other one, and day traders. This one is for the scalpers. So there is automatic signals that comes every single day. Right now, ensure you are at break even, guys. Okay, let me also ensure I click in something. I don't want any problem with this guy here. Let me tell the other guys to break even because So if you know you are in this guy, ensure you. Okay. So right now, guys, ensure you are at break even, okay? Let me also, I'm even talking to you and I don't think if I've moved. Let me move all my stop losses to break even. And now I'm advising you here and I've not done that. That's bad. Let me push all my stop losses to just above the break even zone. Okay, now. It's supposed to be this thing. Guys, how many of you are at break even, guys? I believe you are at break even right now. I'm sure you are at break even.